guys, Kit Custer with the Easy Sales team. I'm gonna take you through this condo today and tell you all about the amenities. So if you're looking to be nearby any of the hospitals, such as University, Case Western, or even Tri-C University, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump. And you're close to all the major freeways. Love how the living room has its own little entertainment area as well as its own patio. It definitely has a lot more privacy than the other condos in the neighborhood because it's an end unit. One great feature about this condo is it comes with all the appliances, even including a washer and dryer. One great feature I love about this condo is it has a half bathroom downstairs, but also your full bathroom is actually attached to this walk-in closet as well as your master bedroom. Come check it out.